Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. Today I am going to show you guys sound and vibration setting. In this video guys, I will show you guys how can you on your dial pad tone in your Xiaomi phone. So friends, you want to on your dial pad tone in your Xiaomi phone, so guys you can on it. And guys, now let's see how to on dial pad tone in our Xiaomi phone guys. In this video guys, I am going to show you. And guys, first of all guys, I want to say guys, sorry to disturb this sound guys. Ignore it guys, focus on video guys. I cannot do anything. So friend, first of all open your phone setting to on your dial pad tone. Then guys scroll it and guys you can see your sound and vibration. So guys tap here. Then guys scroll it and guys after guys you can see is additional setting in your Xiaomi phone. So guys tap here guys you can see your dial pad tone. So we will on from here and guys now let's see. So friends you can see guys your dial pad tone is on and guys you can use your dial pad tone in your Xiaomi phone. So I hope friends have understood how to on dial pad tone in our Xiaomi phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. So guys now we will meet on guys next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.